Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 31st March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 31st March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 1st April. I bring videos in advance and on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And so please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis if you're watching my videos for the first time, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart then. As we all know, Euro GBP was in heavy downtrend, and this is the price level 0.8535. This is the price level that provided the support, okay, and that stopped the downfall. And after that market went up, came down, went up. After that market was in a range, right? Okay, and if you watch my previous videos, then you also made good money out of that range bound market. But right now we can see that the market is trading here. Market crossed the most crucial support 0.8535. Yes, market crossed the most crucial support, and right now it's almost trading at that level. So right now the picture is not very clear. Yes, it crossed the support with this big candle. So one thing is very clear to us that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are looking for opportunity to push the price downward. Okay, so in that case, you need to be very cautious here. Okay, you can see that apart from this blue line, okay, blue line or the support for the market, I have also drawn two black lines here. Okay, in case market crosses this level, this black line 0.8550 with good amount of volume, then also you can think of buying opportunity. Okay, and in case market crosses this level 0.8507 level towards the downside, you can think of shorting opportunity, because see 0.8535 was the level. This blue line was the level which was providing the support to the market, and this level was very important for the market, because overall the trend of the market was very bad. Okay, it was in heavy downtrend. So after breaching this level, okay, right now the picture is not very clear. Okay, because if you just look at this particular portion, let me mark it. If you just look at this particular portion, okay, can you tell me who is dominating the market? Buyers are dominating or sellers are dominating? It's not sure. The picture is not at all clear. Okay, and stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. Okay, so things are very much confusing here. So just wait for the market. Okay, just wait for the market to give us a clear picture, because as long as market will be trading in between these two black lines, okay, we will not be getting any clear picture. Therefore market either should cross this black line, or either market should cross this black line. Okay, until and unless market is trading between this range, we cannot tell anything. And you should also avoid the market, just watch the price. Okay, in case market crosses this line with good amount of volume, then only we will be thinking of buying opportunity. And if market crosses this level, then only we will think of shorting opportunity. But till then, as long as market is in this range, I'll just tell you to avoid the market, because this is a no trading zone. Okay, because you do not need to risk, as I always say, you do not need to risk your hard-earned capital in a chart that you do not understand. Simple. There are many currency pairs available where you can make money. You do not need to invest or risk your capital in a chart that you do not understand. Simple. So just wait for the market. Obviously it will be giving us a clear picture, because when Euro GBP was trading here, then also I told you that wait for the market to give us a clear picture. And yes, after this portion, after this particular portion, we made good amount of money. So again, the time has come to wait and watch. So This is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.